Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the dividing money. Okay? How to divide the money. Okay? First we will see this quick drill. State true or false. If false, correct the statements. 50 rupees can be changed for 5 coins of 10 rupees. It's a true. A kilogram of amla cost 55 rupees. Half a kilogram will cost 26.50 rupees. It's a false. Next, Hashim has 4 notes of 200. The total amount of money he has is 1000 rupees. So 1000 divided by 4 comes to 250. Okay, not 200. It's a false. If 10 meters of satin cloth cost 300, 1 meter cost 30. True. Understood? So let's see practice 3. Divide. First one, A. Rupees 193.50 divided by 6. So we have to divide this. Okay. 193.50 6 minus So answer is 3225, but we have to put decimal, right, to count this. So position is 2, 1, 2. So 32.25 answer. Okay. 32.25. That is the answer. Rupees 32.25. Okay. Next, B and C are similar. It's a single. So you have to do. And next we'll see D. D. Rupees 159.20 divided by 16. Okay. 159.20 16. So we have to take 3. So 16 nines are 144. Okay. Minus 9 minus 4 5 minus 4 1. In 15 we have to take this 152. There is 150. Again it's a 9. Okay. 144. So 995, we have to put decimal of 2. This is placed 2 places, right? 1, 2. So answer is rupees 9.95. Okay, understood? So for this we have to do remaining 2. Okay, this is same 2 digits. Next, in each of the following, find the cost of one item. Okay, so you have to find the cost of one item. So here for 8 pencils cost 32. So for one pencil how much? We have to divide. Okay. For 8 pencil cost rupees 32. So 32 divided by 8. So answer is 4. Rupees 4. Okay. Next, B. 5 books cost 335. 335 divided by 5. So answer is rupees 67. Okay. Next, C. 10 pencil boxes cost 290. C. 290. 10. Rupees 29. Okay. Next, D. 12 erasers cost 30 rupees. 12 erasers cost 30 rupees. 30 divided by 12. Six. So if we will put point, will 0. So answer is rupees 2.5. Okay. For this we finished our lesson money. So worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 are available, answers are available in my WhatsApp group. So the link of my WhatsApp channel is given in my description box. Okay, please check it out. So tomorrow we will start lesson 11, time. Okay, thank you.